Jai Hind everyone, I am Abhimanyu Pratap Singh Chauhan. Today I came with the new video. Actually, it has been long time to upload any video on YouTube or Instagram or something. But today I thought I should record one more video because people are required with it. If you got this feed or if this video came in your feed, it's not a coincidence only. Things are pre-planned because of which deliberately you got this feed. So there is a reason into this because of which you got this video. Actually, the problem is that we wanna be so successful in our life. We wanna do a lot of things in our life, but as the things we want, every time we don't get like this, yeah. So what is the prerequisite of it? So firstly, at whichever condition you are right now, firstly satisfy with yourself and be thankful for yourself, because at whichever condition right now you are, you might be thinking very bad about yourself, that you are very bad, you did this sinful activity, you did that or something. No, pardon yourself and to consider your efforts, because at whichever condition right now you are, after some time you might spoil yourself more than this. At that time you will be thankful for yourself, you will think, yaar, at that time how much well I was. And right now you are litigating yourself, you aren't loving yourself only. So the problem is that people don't love when they deserve to be loved also. So the summary of this statement is that start loving yourself, and at whichever level you are, start from that level only. Gradually things will be very tough, but until things will be tough, there will be no any change, there will be no any remarkable achievement into you. So things will be very tough initially, but gradually it will become smooth for you. And until you will love yourself, until you will consider your own effort, until you will pardon yourself, until you will be happy with your efforts, until you will admire, you will laud yourself, nothing is gonna change. So firstly, talk with yourself, give some prime time to yourself, and think about it, that what exactly you want to do in your life and what exactly the purpose you have. Some covert purpose must be there in yourself. People keep a kind of a dilemma in themselves, that they have no any purpose, they have nothing to do, they don't know what to do, what to not, they aren't able to take proper feasible decision or something. It's not the challenge, yeah. Everyone is having the proper idea, proper blueprint for everything, but the challenge is that people don't consider about it, people don't think about it. Until you will think, you will able to understand, you will be able to decide nothing. So firstly, pardon yourself, consider your achievement, consider your those things whatever you did very remarkable, and get inspired from those things also. So at the last, the conclusion of this video is that start loving yourself. Yeah, this is mandatory. Start loving yourself and start considering those things, those you did in the past, and get the inspiration from them, and just pardon yourself and start working. Don't give the excuse that I did that because of which this repercussion I got, and I did that because of which this implication is here. No, pardon yourself, because in the past you might have done a lot of mistakes, because of which you might be paying the price of it. Be ready to pay the price of it, but after that, just be committed with yourself, you won't repeat the mistake, and whatever the mistake you did in the past, I am ready to conquer on them, I am ready to bear them. So at the last, I would tell you that pardon yourself, enjoy with your life, and put others, means put yourself in others shoe, so that you will be able to understand others agony.